8 tips to get any girl you want. A girl can be intimidating to chat to, especially if you haven't had much practice. However, if you increase your self-assurance and learn how to make a girl feel at ease, you'll be well on your way to landing any girl you want without having to worry about how you look. It is true that every girl in the world is different, but believe me, there are few personality traits that magically work on any girl. Welcome to Self-Dominion channel, where we talk about book reviews, business ideas, philosophy, business strategies and many more. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure you're updated whenever I post a new video. For today's topic, we are going to talk about the 8 tips on how to get any girl you want. So, if you're looking for ways to get the girl of your dreams, this video is for you. Number 1. Don't be too needy. Because a needy attitude conveys a lack of self-confidence, self-love, and self-respect, it is immediately repulsive. You must be able to hold your own and avoid coming off as possessive or reliant if you want to attract pretty girls. A high-value man is aware of his value without anybody else's attention or approval. He actively works to realize the value in those around him as well as in himself. By doing this, he will be able to get girls easily because he radiates confidence in both who he is and how he conducts himself in public. Number 2. Be humorous. If you want to be attractive to any girl you want, then you should have a great sense of humor. A guy who can make her laugh is what every girl wants. Make her smile or laugh and she will feel more comfortable talking with you. But, make sure that you know how to balance everything. Of course, there are also times when you need to be sincere and serious. Know the right balance and you'll surely be more attractive in any girl's eye. Number 3. Smell nice. One tip to be attractive to any girl instantly is to smell nice. Go take a shower, use a deodorant, put on some clean clothes, use a nice perfume and you're good to go. Smelling nice gives you a higher chance to make any girl fall for you. Actually, using this strategy alone will increase the chances of getting a girl to ask you out on a date by more than twice. So, make sure to have proper hygiene. Number 4. Listen to her. Giving a girl your attention is one of the most priceless gifts she can receive from you. If you really want her, then you should be a good listener. By showing her that you care about her, she will feel special and begin to appreciate your presence. Make sure to always look in her eyes while you're talking with each other and make sure to pay attention to what she is saying. If you can bring up these things later in conversations, she will feel that you are sincere and that you value all of the things that she's sharing with you. Number 5. Be a man of action. One of the biggest mistakes I observe men making is that they only bark and never bite. What I mean is they express their love for all women and can use all the flowery words to attract a woman, but once the deal is sealed, they immediately stop. And because of this, they no longer have any more effect. As a man, you should keep expressing your love and appreciation for the girl you want. Decide to invest in her if you want to win her affection. Women hate inconsistency. If you really want to get the girl of your dreams, then make sure to be consistent in making her feel loved and special. Number 6. Don't be too clingy. Anything that is too much is bad. Believe me, a girl doesn't like a man who is too clingy and who wants to be around to baby her all the time. It is important to give her time to spend with her family, friends and herself. Give her time and space to miss you. Make yourself scarce and let her come to you instead of chasing her from time to time. Remember, absence makes the heart grow fonder. Number 7. Be kind. Treat people how you would like to be treated. It may sound corny, but believe me, it is true. You need to start treating other people with care and respect if you expect others to do the same for you. Guys that have wonderful personalities, polite, and kind to others are more likely to make girls fall in love with them. Number 8. Chivalry is not dead. For many women, chivalry is still alive and well. Open doors for her, maintain good manners and avoid using improper grammar or inappropriate language around her. These small gestures let her know that you value her uniqueness and care about her well-being. Respect her and treat her equally. She will start to loosen up to you if you talk to her politely and acknowledge her potential. Do her right. Be aware of your body language, respect your differences, and seek her opinion on important issues. These are just some of the fantastic ways to get any girls you want, no matter how you look like. Your character and how you treat others are the most important part in getting a girl's heart and not your physical appearance. Remember, a beautiful face will age and a perfect body will change, but a beautiful soul will always be a beautiful soul. Make sure to follow these tips and let me know in the comments if these help you in getting the girl of your dreams. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video and find this helpful, Please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and notification bell to make sure you're updated whenever I post a new video. This is Self Dominion channel and I'll see you again next time. Peace out.